Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Markets are showing a little bit of shifting right now. As you can see, the Dow on the close started trading off today after trading up most of the day, but seems to have run into a resistance level. And notice your stochastics start turning down. That's telling us there's now a little bit of weakness starting to come into the market. You can see the same thing over here on the NASDAQ, where they keep running into the resistance up here and sold off. We're still in an uptrend, but now you have to be a little bit suspicious that the bullish sentiment might be getting a little bit tired. So candlestick logic allows us to still find the charts that are acting strong. Again, we looked at EXPV with the Morningstar signal right here on the 50-day moving average at the beginning of the week, and that continues to move up from that Morningstar signal, still in an uptrend with a possibility of this big fry pan bottom working. And Blink, as far as the charging stations, you can see it had a J-hook pattern, and it's still in this slow uptrending trend. And this is where we've made big money over the last few months, are these electric vehicle charging stations, lithium batteries, anything that has to do with new electric vehicles. That's been a very profitable trade area. That's where we concentrate, is using the reverse engineering of seeing where the strong sectors are and then seeing which stocks in those sectors are the strongest. We're looking at a J-hook pattern in bingo. You can see what happened here. This stock's gone from 50 cents to $7, consolidated as a J-hook pattern, did a nice bullish signal, started trading up after hours. The fact that we can visually see the strength of the investors gapping the price up tells us there's something going on there. All we have to do is see what they're doing. We are going to be buying this one on positive trading tomorrow, giving us a Doge or a J-hook pattern breakout that could head up into the $15 area. The oil stocks have been acting strong. Crude oil has been dramatically, or not dramatically, but in a good steady uptrend, trading above the $52 and $53 area. Wave 1 on Occidental, Wave 2 broke out into Wave 3. Again, the prospects of it heading higher allows the candlestick investor to constantly put funds in trades that have high probabilities of moving in the right direction. We also know when to take profits. This is one of the difficult parts that most investors have as far as comprehending. Everybody shows people how to find the strong charts, when to buy, but they do very little as far as teaching people when to sell. We're going to be doing a 2-day training this Saturday. I'm sorry, a 2-day training, a 4-hour training showing when it's time to start taking profits. And that is just candlestick logic built into the candlestick charts that tell you if you start seeing sell signals and start seeing sell signals again, that you're probably better off closing out these positions and going and find charts that look like this. So we have situations where there's probably 6 techniques that utilize candlestick logic to tell you when to start taking profits. As we can see, it started getting weak, and it was because of the warning, the alert right here, that when you gapped up in the overbought condition, you start looking for selling. You gapped up in the overbought condition, and another parameter is look how far away you've moved from the T line. That also told us you're more than likely starting to come back. That gave us a good platform to start taking profits and going and finding more charts like this. So come join us on Saturday. It's a full day session. You'll get a lot more information than you expect. So right now, the T-line rule tells us we can stay long as the Dow stays above the T-line. But today you saw it back off. So get ready for some profit taking and maybe the market getting weaker with today's selling. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.